MAZATROL technology revolutionized the world of CNC when we introduced it back in 1981. Since then, we've given operators reliability, consistency, and performance with our unique software, which still has the same architecture today that it did 40 years ago. MAZATROL is a global spoken language which interacts with and guides the operator. A conversational programming platform that constructs programs quickly on the shop floor to maximize productivity and performance for our customers whilst being easy to learn for operators. With every advancement in technology, we aim to improve what MAZATROL can do for our customers without moving the posts on how users interact with the controls. MAZATROL now encompasses modern technology, such as artificial intelligence, that allows MAZATROL programs to be created from 3D models, yet a user of our latest control today could still program and operate any generation of control from the first one created back in 1981. Our extensive manufacturing expertise has enabled us to continue to advance CNC machine control and performance, all built on the foundation of a strong relationship between control, machine, and user.
MAZATROL is a human-machine interface that provides the operator with a seamless interaction between the machine and control. Since the introduction of T1 in 1981, MAZATROL has revolutionised the way in which CNC machines are programmed. Today, MAZATROL is very much part of our DNA, with the development of our control systems closely matching the development of our CNC machines. Each step has been designed to give the user greater productivity and efficiency to deliver the reliability, the accuracy, and the usability that our customers demand.
We've changed the way in which the shop floor programming is completed, changed the landscape both technologically and operationally, and built an all-encompassing platform that gives our machine tools a level of performance that has continually delivered world-class results to our customers for 40 years.